Hi everyone, I'm going to take a few minutes to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart. It's a great spring cleaning tip, and most of you probably haven't even thought about it. And what is that? Cleaning out your dryer vent. I know, laugh. Do you know where your dryer vent is? Do you know if it goes through the wall or up through your ceiling? Many people do not, which is why this is so important, because it piles up lint year after year and is one of the number one reasons for a house fire. So I'm going to suggest that there are some simple tips in cleaning it. First one is, it's that important to clean your vent trap, your dryer vent trap in your dryer every time you do a load of laundry. That will help from the excess lint going out that vent. In addition to that, you can buy a kit and have a drill, and it's real easy to clean the vent yourself. If you're not adventurous or handy, then you can call a chimney company. A chimney sweep will come clean out your dryer vent and do a great job. If you know a handyman that's cleaned dryer vents before, they also work well. The most important part is get your dryer vent cleaned. So the question of the day is, when's the last time you had your dryer vent cleaned? If the answer is not a year ago, then I highly encourage you to click the link and watch the DIY, or call a chimney sweep or a handyman and have them come get your dryer vent cleaned. Thanks for joining me on this session of Home Tip 101. Clean those dryer vents. I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners and team leader of the Missy Stegers team. We're always here to help you, but more importantly, we care about your safety.